More than a dozen people are being tested for H5N1 avian influenza after it was discovered at a Calgary area petting farm. Butterfield Acres closed last week after 9 poultry cases were identified at the popular family destination. 17 people, including 10 children, have been referred for testing so far. Health officials say 3 have come back negative, and the rest of the results are expected soon. While the risk to the public is believed to be low, experts continue to watch closely.
It is a concern because people who are in very close contact can become ill. They can become severely ill. So far, it doesn't seem to spread very well from person to person, which is why it's not listed as an imminent, pandemic threat.
This virus isn't new. We've really been tracking this virus now for the next several years, and people may recall hearing of influenza in dairy cattle throughout the U.S. and parts of Canada over the summer and late last year. This is that virus again.
Jenny says migratory birds likely passed the virus on to Butterfield Acres. He says flu viruses are very good at mixing and mutating. So if a person or animal becomes infected with both H5N1 avian flu and seasonal influenza at the same time, a new virus could emerge.
When we look at a petting zoo or other format where it's designed to be open and seeing large numbers of the public, and in this case, particularly children who might very well be, feeling under the weather and infected by a flu virus, that risk does go up. It's not a dramatic increase, but it is a bigger risk.
Butterfield Acres says it is working with the Canadian Food Inspection Agency and Primary Care Alberta and will reopen once approved to do so. Saxinger is pleased the cases have been identified and that action is being taken.
You don't want that to fly under the radar. And so if there's a silver lining, at least we know that the surveillance that's been set up is working, because H5N1 has been a real problem worldwide, growing over the last few years.
Health officials are asking anyone with flu-like symptoms who visited Butterfield Acres between October 6th and 12th to isolate at home and call HealthLink for assessment and testing. Jennifer Lee, CBC News, Calgary.